Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna kind of show you guys how I performed knotless braids on my mother's hair. So right now, as you can see, I am parting her hair, and the reason why the parts aren't perfect is because I feel like with knotless braids, if it looks too perfect, then it just looks kind of spaced out. So I tried to do the parts not too perfect. Like I said before, it's kind of a demonstration, but not really. So I am going to do knotless braids on my hair in a following video, and I'll show a more in-depth, in detail how I actually do my knotless braids. I'm so sorry for the messy room, guys. You know, my room is pretty small. There was hair everywhere, hair stuff on the floor, because doing hair can get kind of messy, and we were eating, so please do not mind the mess. I apologize in advance. Thank you. So as you can see, I am trying to keep the braid nice and steady so I can get a perfect braid so it can look neat. My mom does not like tight hair because she does have some nerve issues, so tight hair can mess with her nerves. So I try to braid her hair as loose as possible while still trying to maintain the braid and make it look pretty. So as you can see, I am trying to part her hair. I'm not trying to make the part perfect, as I reiterate. I want her hair to look pretty though, so the part will be cute, but not perfect because I am purposely making it that way. So now I'm gonna take the Eco Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Oil Conditioning Styling Gel. And as you can see, I distributed that on the braid, combing it out to make it nice and braidable. And now I'm gonna make 2 braiding knots. 1, 2. Then I'm gonna add the hair. I'm gonna feed in the hair. And that's how I create the knotless effect. Da 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 da! Guys, we're almost done. So now I'm gonna take some boiling hot water. I heated up the water in the microwave for 3 minutes. I'm gonna let the hair soak in there, and then I'm gonna take a t-shirt or a towel to dry the hair and soak the hot water out of it. So once the hair has been soaked in hot water, it should automatically get this wavy effect. And now I'm gonna loose it out and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. So guys, as you can see, the hair is done and it looks beautiful. I took my time with this. I am so tired. My back hurts, but you know what? It was well worth it for my mother. I would do anything for her. So this is the final result. I'm in love with it and I hope you guys are in love with it too. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll have more beautiful content. Have a blessed day.